Hello everyone, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session, we are going to discuss topic that is about sphere. Sphere is like a ball. It has only one face, that is curved face. So for sphere, there is only one equation for the area. There is no separate lateral surface or total surface. Here for sphere there is only one equation, that is total surface area. Total surface area of the sphere equal 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of the sphere. So total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Now we can discuss exercise 13.4, the questions which is related with the sphere. That is exercise 13.4, question number 1. In this first question, 3 sub-questions are there. Here in the first section, find the surface area of the sphere. Of the radius, first sub-question is 10.5 centimeter. For the second sub-question, radius is 5.6 centimeter. And for the third sub-question, radius is given as 14 centimeter. So for these 3 sub-questions, we have to find surface area. Surface area means total surface area. Okay. So what is the equation for total surface area of the sphere? That is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Radius is given in this section. So we should substitute that values and find out the answers. For the first sub question, it is given that radius equal 10.5 centimeter. Radius of the sphere is 10.5 centimeter. So we have to find surface area. That means total surface area of the sphere, that is equal 4 pi r square. In this exercise, it is given that pi equal 22/7 unless stated otherwise. So here it is not given as separate. So here we can use value of pi as 22/7. So we can substitute the values, pi as 22/7 and r is 10.5. So r square means 10.5 square. Now 4 into 22/7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Here we can simplify. 7/7 is 1. In 10, 1 7s are 7, remaining 3. In 35, 7 5s are 35. So 4 into 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. We should multiply them and find the answer. That is equal 1386 centimeter square. When we multiply these all, then we will get 1386 centimeter square. Then for the second sub question, it is given that the radius of the sphere is 5.6 centimeter. So r equal 5.6 centimeter. So we should write the equation for total surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square. Then substitute the values of pi and r. Pi as 22/7 and r as 5.6. Then 4 into 22/7 into 5.6 into 5.6. Here we can simplify. 7 in 5 0 times. Then 56 together 8 times. So our answer will be 4 into 22 into 0.8 into 5.6. Then we should multiply these all and find the answer. So here the answer is 394.24 centimeter square. This is the surface area of the sphere when the radius is 5.6 centimeter. Now for the third sub question, radius of the sphere is given as 14 centimeter. So r equal 14 centimeter. So equation for TSA equal 4 pi r square. Substitute the values of pi as 22/7 and r as 14. So we can write it as 4 into 22/7 into 14 into 14. Then simplify that. Then we will get 4 into 22 into 2 into 14. Multiply these all values and get the answer as 2464 centimeter square. When we multiply 4 into 22 into 7 into 2 into 14 equal 2464 centimeter square. Now exercise 13.4 second section. In the second section, 3 sub-questions are there. In the second section, it is given that the diameter of the sphere and we should find surface area of the sphere. Here, diameter is given and we have to find its surface area. 3 sub-questions are there. For the first sub-question, diameter is given as 14 centimeter. For the second sub-question, it is given as 21 centimeter. And for the third sub-question, diameter of the sphere is given as 3.5 meter. So here we have to find surface area of the spheres. Okay. In the section, first sub-question, it is given that diameter D is equal 14 centimeter. So we have to find radius first. So radius equal D by 2, that is equal 14 by 2 equal 7 centimeter. Then we have to find surface area of the sphere. So that is equal 4 pi r square. Here also pi is not given as separate. So we should give the value of pi as 22 by 7. Then substitute the value of r also. Then we will get 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Then we can simplify that. Then we will get 4 into 22 into 7. 4 into 22 into 1 into 7 means 4 into 22 into 7 itself. So its answer will be 616 centimeter square. 616 centimeter square. For the second sub-question, it is given that diameter equal 21 centimeter. So here also we have to find its radius. That is t by 2 equal 21 by 2. That is equal 10.5 centimeter. Okay. Then we have to find its surface area. So TSA of the sphere equal 4 pi r square. Then substitute the values of pi as 22 by 7 and r as 10.5. So we can expand it. So 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. Then we can simplify this. In 10, 1 7s are 7. Then remaining 3, together 35. 5 7s are 35. Then 4 into 22 into 1.5 into 10.5. So its answer will be 1386. 1386 centimeter square. Then the third sub-question. In the third sub-question, it is given that diameter of the sphere equal 3.5 meter. Okay, so radius equal 3.5 by 2. D by 2, that is equal 3.5 by 2. So here it is not divisible. So we can write this itself as radius. No need to simplify it again. If you want to simplify, you can do. Okay, but it is easy to do in this way itself. Then we have to find total surface area of the sphere. That is 4 pi r square. That is equal 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 whole square. Then we can simplify this. 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Then in 4, 2 twice. Okay. Then again 1. This is also 1. Then 7 and 3.5. In 3, 0 times. Then together in 35, 5 times. So we will get 1 into 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. That is equal 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. That is equal 38.5 meter square. So here the unit is meter. So we get answer in meter square. 38.5 meter square. Now exercise 13.4 fourth question. Third question is about hemisphere that we can discuss later. Okay. So here fourth question. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. So in this question, there are two cases. In one case, radius is 7 centimeter, and in the other case, radius is given as 14 centimeter. Here we have to find the surface areas of the balloon in two cases. That means if the radius is 7 centimeter, what is the surface area of the balloon? And the same way, if the radius is 14 centimeter, then what is the surface area of the balloon? After finding that surface areas, we have to find its ratio. Their ratio we have to find. Okay, so balloon is in the shape of sphere. That is given in the question. Spherical balloon means it is a sphere. So in this question, two cases are there. In first case, what is radius is given as 7 centimeter. Radius is given as 7 centimeter. Then for the second case, radius is given as 14 centimeter. Okay. So here we have to find the surface area of the balloon in two cases. So here we can write TSA 1 is equal pi 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So this r we can write as r1. So 4 pi r1 square. For the second case, surface area is TSA2, that is equal 4 pi r2 square. Here this r we can express as r2. Okay. Then here we can substitute the values. 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 square. That is equal 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Then simplify it. Then what we will get? 4 into 22 into 7. 4 into 22 into 7. We can multiply that. Otherwise, this itself we can write 4 into 22 into 7 centimeter square. Because here we have to find ratio. So after finding the ratio only we can simplify. Okay. Otherwise, you can simplify here itself. But if we simplify here, then we should do the same method or same step after finding the ratio also. So here in this question we have to find this much only. Okay. Then next case, TSA 2. Then 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 square. That is equal 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Then we will get 4 into 22 into 2 into 14 centimeter square. This is TSA 2, this is TSA 1. Then here we have to find its ratio, their ratio. That means TSA 1 by TSA 2. Surface area in two cases. That is equal 4 into 22 into 7 by 4 into 22 into 2 into 14. 4 into 22 into 2 into 14. Then we can cut the common factors. Then what we will get? 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 2, 4. So the ratio between the two surface areas is 1:4. We should write the ratio in this form. Okay. So 1:4 is the ratio. So this is the answer.